We want to solve an equation. X divided by 9 is equal to x divided by 2 plus 2 divided by 9. So the first thing that we see is that we have denominators in our equation in the terms. And as always, the trick is here. Multiply both sides by the least common denominator. And the least common denominator in this case is 9 divided by 2, which is 18. So in other words, what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to take 18 and I'm going to multiply the left side of my equation and I multiply the right side of my equation, everything with 18. You may think about 18 as 18 over 1. So I'm going to take the left side and I multiply x over 9 with 18 over 1. On the right side, each term will have to be multiplied with 18 over 1 because the distribution, the distributive property. So I'm not going to write this down on the outside. I multiply immediately both terms with 18 over 1. All right, let me just color code it just real quick again. What we have done here. We have introduced a factor of 18 over 1 to both sides. And the reason why we did this is because now I see on the left side 18 divided by 9, that will be 2. 18 divided by 2, that will be 9. And 18 divided by 9, that will be 2 again. So in other words, the denominators are all going to disappear. Let's write down the equation that we have right now. We are left with, on the left side, 2 times x. On the right side, I have 9 times x plus 2 times 2, which of course is 4 if you want to write that down immediately. So we have the equation 2x is equal to 9x plus 4. Now I proceed as with all linear equations in one variable. I am moving my variable parts to one side. In other words, I subtract 9x from both sides. 2x minus 9x is a negative 7x. On the right side, the x's go away, is equal to 4. Now all that is left to do is to divide both sides by negative 7, and I see that x is equal to a negative 4/7.